Hello everyone and welcome to the HyperTeam Project Management Toolbox training video. In this short video, we will be discussing task management. On the home screen, navigate to the side menu and click on the plus sign next to Tasks. This brings up the Tasks screen and an additional window on the right-hand side. Outside the window, you can find all of the previously created tasks. In the task-specific window, which is on the right-hand side, you have to add a name in the Add a Name to the Task section. As soon as the name is given, the task is automatically saved. The next step is to assign someone to be responsible to complete the task. Here you can add task-specific descriptions. After choosing the person responsible to complete the task, the second most important step is to determine the task deadline. The deadline date is the date by which the task is supposed to be completed. Here is the timesheet icon, which you can use to track the task-related time spent. After the task is assigned to someone, it can be assigned to someone else as well, with a Copy to Selected Users button. The same task will show up for all selected people. Followers can be assigned to tasks. Followers get notified when the tasks get modified. When hundreds of tasks are in the system, it may be helpful to give tags to tasks. There, tasks can be searched by tag or grouped by tag. When the task deadline is getting close, within 2 days, the system turns the task yellow, and when the deadline is passed, the system turns the task red. If the task was not assigned a date, it is gray. You can see more details in the following screens with the Kanban view. If the task was created by someone other than the requester of the task, the requester's name can be added to the task. Here you can favorite a task, complete a task, or prioritize a task, all by clicking on those buttons. The calculated amount of time can be given, which is the time actually needed to complete the task. Tasks can also be assigned an estimated amount of time, which will be the time sufficient to complete the task. Besides description, comments can be added to every task. Whoever works on a task should leave a comment, or multiple comments, describing what was done. With the other button in the middle, all the comments show. And the third button on the right can show all history of any action on a task. Any number of files can be attached to the task, and any type of file can be attached to the task. When clicking on the New Document button, your file browser window shows all the files on your computer that can be attached to the task. This is the New Document button. Whoever works with files attached to a task should not download the file. They instead should open it from the task by clicking the blue link, editing it, then saving it. This way, everyone works in the same file. Clicking this button will save the task. A very visual and practical way to look at and process the tasks is the Kanban view. There are two types of Kanban views. The first is task by project, and the second is task by person. As soon as the task gets 2 days within its deadline, the task turns yellow. In every progress column, tasks can be created or tasks can be grabbed and dragged forwards or backwards. The furthest left column shows the project or the person to which the tasks are assigned. If the task is overdue, it becomes red. A normal task shows up in Kanban view in green. Thank you. If at any point you have questions, please feel free to visit our website, www.sharepointflorida.com.